research, how you do your research, and at the end of the lecture, I will come for that which choice you can obtain and what you can do in that. But first of all, I will tell you that how to conduct research and how to write some research article or some research paper. So the title of my today's lecture is research skills. These are the contents of my lecture. I will try to cover as much as possible in the limited time. If we come for the research skills, then we divide the research skills into two categories. First is how to do research, and the second is how to write articles. So how to do research means that how you conduct research and how you can get results from your research, how you do so many calculations and whatever equations you apply over there and whatever practical work you do over there, whatever survey you do over there, that is part of your research. It means how to do research. And the next category I made is how to write articles. So if you get results of your research, then how you write your article. So in your research paper, you need to learn about both. So both are research. Writing article is also research, but I am just for your simplicity, I made those two categories so that you will get idea about. So come for the research articles that first we need to understand that what is research article. ये जो आपने नाम सुना होगा कि जर्नल पेपर और इसी तरह कॉन्फ्रेंस पेपर और इसी तरह पोस्टर वगैरह या रिव्यू पेपर, इस तरह के नाम आपने सुने होंगे. सो या नहीं सुने तो अभी आप सुन लोगे. So basically those things comes in the category of research article. that लोग रिसर्च करके अपने रिसर्च को इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आर्टिकल लिखते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, उसको हम रिसर्च आर्टिकल कहते हैं. जो रिसर्च आर्टिकल होते हैं, we divide those articles into two categories. One is the review article and one is original research based article. The review article is such type of article in which one of the expert of the field study so many research papers and study the field, and then he or she write a review about any topic. That review would be based on the literature available in the field and on the research of other people. So if he write any article, that article would be review article. We remember review article एक एक्सपर्ट लिखता है फील्ड का, जो कि बहुत सारे रिसर्च आर्टिकल्स को पढ़ता है और उसको अपने फील्ड का बहुत अच्छा ग्रिप होता है. तो वो क्या करता है, वो लोगों के आर्टिकल्स को पढ़ने के बाद जो है एक आर्टिकल लिखता है जिनमें लोगों के आर्टिकल्स का जिक्र करता है कि इसने ये किया है, इसने वो किया है, और मैं इस कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचा हूँ कि इस फील्ड में ये काम हो रहा है और फ्यूचर में ये हो सकता है. अच्छा, तो इसके साथ साथ जो दूसरी कैटेगरी है वो क्या है, ओरिजिनल रिसर्च बेस्ड आर्टिकल. और जो ओरिजिनल रिसर्च बेस्ड आर्टिकल ये है कि एक साइंटिस्ट, एक रिसर्चर खुद रिसर्च करता है, दूसरों के आर्टिकल नहीं, वो अपना रिसर्च करता है. बेशक वो लोगों के काम को भी देख लेता है मुआवजे के